Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make this amazing chia seed hair pudding from scratch. So if you have some chia seeds that's just been sitting in your cabinet, I have the perfect recipe for you, and it's so easy to do. So stay tuned. Chia seeds are so tiny yet so powerful. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which is so beneficial to the health of your heart and blood circulation to the scalp. It's actually 8 times more higher in omega-3 fatty acids than salmon and most fish. Omega-3 is also good for reducing scalp inflammation. Chia seeds are also high in zinc and copper, which reduces hair thinning and prevents hair loss. These tiny seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, C, B vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. These seeds are 7 times more higher in vitamin C than oranges and 3 times more higher in iron than spinach. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, which is great for the digestive system. It also contains all 9 amino acids, including those that increase collagen production, which is not only good for the hair but the skin as well. So let's hop right into making our chia seed pudding. So first you're going to need some raw shea butter, some organic chia seeds, an applicator bottle, which is optional, a blender or a ninja cup, some water. I'm using distilled water, and a mason jar, and of course a stocking so that way you can strain your gel. So first I'm going to start off with barely a cup of chia seeds. This is not a full cup. I felt like this was a lot, so you really don't need a full cup. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour that into my ninja cup. And this time I'm using distilled water. I used spring water last time, but everybody was like, use distilled water. I don't think it matters, but I'm going to go in and take 2.5 cups of water, you guys. You can use 3 cups. It depends how thin you want your gel, but I found that 2 cups was really good for me, and honestly that's all that fits inside of this ninja cup. And guys, unlike flax seeds, chia seeds does not require heat to remove its gel. It naturally removes its gel, and you can already see the gel starting to depart from the seeds. This only has sat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it already turned into this jelly-like consistency. So that's an amazing thing about making chia seed gel. It's so easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and screw on my blender part, and we're just going to pause blend. If you're using a blender for this part, just do the pause setting. You don't want to completely blend it up. You just want to make sure you're removing that gel from the seeds. So I'm just doing a few pauses, and then I'm going to go ahead and strain. I took a stocking and just put it over a cup, because this just makes it so much easier and less of a mess. And I just pour all of that goodness inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my chia seeds inside of the stocking, and I have a bowl, and I'm just going to start to strain that in. This is so easy to do. All you have to do is keep squeezing until all of that gel comes out. And guys, make sure that your nails do not snag a tear inside of the stocking like mine did. I ended up getting a few seeds inside of my gel, but you do not want the seeds in your gel because you don't want the seeds in your hair. So I just took another stocking just to double strain it, and this time I made sure not to put my nails inside of the stocking. So I'm just going to keep repeating the straining process until I feel like I got all of that gel out. So you just want to keep squeezing and keep squeezing until all of that goodness is out. When I did the flaxseed video, a lot of people were wondering how did it smell. Flaxseed smelled like oats to me, but chia seeds is very bland. It really doesn't have much of a smell. And you guys can just use this gel as is because it makes a great curl defining gel. But we're going to take it to the next level and make a hair pudding. So now I'm going to take this 100% raw shea butter, and I have a pot of boiling water. Well, it's not really quite boiling, but it's really hot. And I'm just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes until that shea butter is fully melted. You want it to look like melted butter. So what we're going to do next, guys, is go ahead and refrigerate this shea butter. We don't want this shea butter to be super melted, and then we're going to go ahead and pour the chia seed gel inside of the shea butter. So this is about 15-20 minutes later. It's not fully cold, but it's like this buttery consistency, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of that chia seed gel inside. You guys can go ahead and use all of your gel and pour it all in there, but I'm going to store some for later because like I said, this makes a really good curl defining gel, and it lasts about 2 weeks in the fridge. Just make sure you store it in an airtight mason jar. So let's hop right into the fun part. So now we're going to start to blend that chia seed gel and that shea butter all together. You guys can use a regular blender, a cake blender, a food processor, but I'm going to use my handheld blender. I just find this so much easier and less messier. They have these at Walmart for like less than $20. So I'm just going to speed this process up for you guys, and you could just slowly but surely see this turn into our amazing hair pudding, guys. And it's so buttery. This is the consistency that we're looking for. So now I'm going to take this to the next level, and this part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and add some rosemary and tea tree oil. You guys can do lavender, peppermint, anything you want. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Pure Magic Naturals Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend. This oil is made with 7 organic oils and other ingredients such as bamboo, horse chestnut seed, nettle, and all those amazing beneficial ingredients. And it also gives it more of a buttery consistency. Guys, look at this. This is just so amazing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and stir in all of those ingredients, and it smells so good. But this is the consistency that we are looking for. And like I said, guys, you can make this your own. You could do anything you want with this once you blend the shea butter and the chia seed gel together. You could add coconut oil. You can add any essential oils you want to it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer that into my mason jar, and then we're going to go ahead and apply this to our hair. But guys, just look at how beautiful this is. I'm also going to write the date on it because, like I said, it lasts up to 2 weeks, so I want to keep track of how long I've had it. So let's hop right into doing this hair. I'm actually so excited to be doing my hair because I've been rocking this bun for a few days now, but a bun is my go-to protective hairstyle. So now I'm just going to go ahead and comb my hair out to make sure I get out all those knots and tangles. And I always like to do my hair in sections. It just gives me a peace of mind and makes this process so much easier. And I'm going to spray my hair down with some water. I always put water in my hair first before I apply any product. And guys, I cannot get over how good this chia seed hair pudding smells. Between my Pure Magic Naturals hair oil and the rosemary and the tea tree, it smells absolutely amazing. Now I'm just using this curl defining brush to really get all of that product distributed through my hair and plus define my curls. And look how popping my curls are. When I tell you chia seed gel is so amazing for defining your curls, I just like to add the shea butter for extra moisture. Now I'm just going to continue to repeat those same steps and spray my hair down with water and apply that chia seed hair pudding to the lengths of my hair. And you can also apply this directly to your scalp because chia seed is really great for reducing scalp inflammation and increasing blood flow to the scalp, which in return enhances hair growth. And another fun fact about chia seed is it also contains keratin, which gives the hair lots of shine, and antioxidants, which prevents hair and skin from aging, and free radicals. And guys, look at that curl definition. My curls always look so much better when I use natural hair products for some reason. Whenever I use like store-bought curl defining creams, you know, it might have my curls popping, but not like this. It's something about those homemade natural hair products that just have your hair feeling better, looking better, and just overall better. You don't have a million ingredients inside of one container, you know, because nowadays these store-bought hair products, not only do most of them contain alcohol and a whole bunch of words that we can't even pronounce, it's just so much more affordable and more substantial in every way to just make your own hair products at home. No shade to all those other hair brands because there are a lot of hair brands that I swear by. So I'm not saying I don't use store-bought hair products, but there's just something about making your products at home that's just so much more affordable, so much more healthier for your hair. And I'm gonna always make my own hair products, guys. But look at all of that curl definition and look at the shine that my hair has. So I want to take this hairstyle to the next level because I feel like I always do just a plain side part. So I'm going to go ahead and do a cute little hairstyle. And I'm not really that good at doing flat twists, but I remember I used to have this hairstyle all the time as a little girl, and I just wanted to bring it back. I just want to start doing some cute hairstyles. I'm sick of just doing my plain little wash and go side part or middle part. So I'm just twisting my hair, and this is so easy to do, guys. You just basically twist and grab hair as you go, similar to braiding, which I suck at. I can't braid to save my life, which is why I'm doing flat twists instead. And then I'm just going to put a rubber band at the end and define my curl and continue this process. So I decided to just do 4 of those flat twists on the side of my head. I feel like it just elevated this hairstyle so much more. But this chia seed hair pudding is absolutely amazing. And not only does it define my curls so well, but it leaves my hair moisturized for days, guys. I'm so in love with it. I'm going to have this full recipe down below in the description box for you guys to go ahead and screenshot. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Mwah.